Hi, I'm doing a project where I needed a display showing the power, current and volts, and like many others I've used a display that I got off AliExpress, a power meter, and this particular one is a model PZEM 021 version 7.0. There are a number of other versions and models, but they're all pretty similar. What I've done differently to what I've seen on other people's projects is that I'm just simply powering this from a 10-volt transformer that I happen to have lying around. To do that, I've removed three components. I've removed the large capacitor, the resistor, and the little round thing at the bottom there is a xenodiode. The capacitor and the resistor we moved from here where I'm pointing at, and the xenodiode was just across there. And the result is a display that shows 0 volts, 0 current. The advantage of using the transformer is that the low voltage power supply is completely isolated from everything else. The DC supply for this meter needs to be at least 10 volts, and the voltage regulator that's actually fitted to this is rated up to an input of 36 volts DC, and that regulator is the little thing there, and there's a diode here which acts as a rectifier, which means that's why I can use AC to supply this, and that is smoothed out by this large 470 microfarad capacitor here. So that's why you can run it from AC. If you want to run it from DC, you can do that as well. You need to put positive on this point here and the negative supply and this connection point here. I've run this from DC 10 volts up to DC 16 volts. So I haven't tested it all the way to 36 volts, but normally that shouldn't be necessary. At the moment, with a 10 volt transformer, this is running at 13 volts DC, and it's working fine. It's quite happy with that. The xenodiode that's over here is 12 volts, so running at 13 volts, 15 volts, 12 volts is entirely within a safe range.